let us loop some animation in Blender. Usually when we have keyframes on a model, or if we imported something rigged online, the motion can be limited to a number of frames, and to repeat the animation without copying the keyframes throughout the timeline, especially if you have a lot of frames. What we can do is simple. While the keyframe's selected, switch to nonlinear animation, then hit this button called Push Down Action. This way the animation becomes one piece of action. We can after that from the side panel, under the Action Clip tab, repeat this animation along the entire timeline. And here you have it, 2 clicks and you're done. This method is quite good for still animation like this one, but what about some models with linear motion, like characters or cars? If we do the same method here, the animation will repeat along the same area. In this case we need the graph editor, and the method is as easy as the first one. This time you just need to select one motion or one piece on the graph, then from the side panel on the left, and you can hit N to open that panel, go to modifiers, then add a cycles modifier to repeat the motion. To keep the character going forward, you need to add a repeat with offset from the after mode in the cycles. Near the Add Modifier tab you have 2 buttons, Copy and Paste. With those we can copy this modifier from this one piece we selected, then hit A to select all and paste the modifier on the remaining actions on the graph. And that's it. You can now play the animation and the character will keep running, forever. See you guys next time, and remember to hit the like if you're still around. Stay sharp. Goodbye.